Welcome to my Georgian trip. Samgrelo is the ancestral land of the Migrelians, one of Georgia's ancient ethnic group with their own dialect, traditions and craft heritage, including clay pottery, folk singing and dance. Zugdidi is the biggest city of this region and a great stop if you are on the way between Mestia and Batumi. Most people know Zugdidi as the home of the Dadiani Palace. The Dadiani dynasty ruled Samgrelo, also known as Odishi, from the 11th century and had a presence here until 1867, when the last prince was forced to abdicate by imperialist Russia. Salome Dadiani, Prince David's daughter, married Achille Murat, the grandson of Napoleon Bonaparte's sister. This created a connection with French royalty. To me, a Moldovan, the name Dadiani speaks directly about Princess Natalia Dadiani, who in 1901 commissioned the building of Chișinău's female gymnasia to the architect Alexandru Bernardazzi. Nowadays, the building houses the National Art Museum of Moldova, which has an important heritage of 39,000 works of art. But let's come back to Georgia. In Zugdidi, the Dadiani Museum complex includes the palace for Ekaterina Chevchavadze Dadiani, the residence of her son Nico Dadiani, the church, and the adjacent botanical garden. Originally built in the 17th century, the Queen's Palace was reconstructed in the 1860s by the German architect Jacob Riis. Instead, Nico Dadiani's palace was built in the 1880s by the Russian architect Leonid Vassiliev. This is a two-story residence with a stone balcony and the biggest ballroom in Georgia. As a museum, this complex was founded in April 1921. Home to Migrelian food such as adjika, harcho, and elari, as a tourist destination, Zugdidi can easily be visited in a day. Relatively small and easy to navigate on foot, there is not much more to see besides its rich Soviet surroundings. Yet, if you have a car, close by you could visit the Ruki Castle, a fortress built by Levan II Dadiani in 1647. From up here, you could also see the flags of the separatist region of Abkhazia, the second breakaway region of Georgia. Come back to the channel for more travel suggestions on Georgia.